Children, we did the 1, 2, and 3 from exercise 8.2. Now moving on to fourth one. So let's read out the problem first. A girl of height 90 centimeter. Okay, height of the girl is given. Is walking away from the base of a lamp post. So there is a lamp post. A girl started moving from the lamp post and it is moving away from it. And the speed of the girl is given 1.2 meter per second. If the lamp post is 3.6 meter above the ground, that means height of the lamp post is given 3.6 meters. That means the lamp is at a height of 3.6 meter. Find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. So first understanding the problem. So we know the lamp post height. We know the girl's height. So therefore girl is a little bit away from the lamp post after 4 seconds. That means after 4 seconds we have to first find out where the girl is exactly from the base of the lamp post. How do we find it out? Yeah, speed is known, time is known. You can find out the distance traveled. So thus let us proceed to solve the problem. So here is the lamp post, 3.6 meter height. So a girl who started from the lamp post started moving in this direction. With what speed? The speed being 1.2 meter per second. After time of 4 seconds, let us suppose the girl is here. Right? Now here, the light rays from the lamp are falling exactly like this on the girl. And this is the shadow formed. And let L be the length of the shadow. And let D be the distance traveled by the girl in 4 seconds. Right now this triangle and this triangle, these two are similar triangles. Common angle 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Angle criteria you can do. And then these two are similar triangles. Thus we can compare the sides. That means the ratio of the corresponding sides is constant. Right. So now let us first find out like for the solution part. So what is that we have to find out? Distance traveled by D is equal to, right, speed into time, 1.2 into 4, which is equal to 4.8 meters. So we know D. Okay, so let's name the triangles. That will be easy for us, right? This is ABC triangle. This is ADF triangle. Whatever it is, I am naming it as like this. Right, so now we got BD value. So that is BD. BD is equal to distance traveled in 4 seconds is equal to 4.8 meters. We got it. Right, so now you have FD value and CB value. So angle A is common. So always you have to write the statements. And then angle B is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degrees. So therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADF. Why? Because from angle criteria. From angle criterion, you have triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADF. So therefore, what you can say? The height by height is equal to base by base. Okay, I have finished. So therefore, FD by AD is equal to BC by AB. Now let us substitute. What is FD? 3.6 meters by AD. We'll take BC here, right? Height by height, okay? You will get this also. Just to make you feel free while solving the problem, I am taking height by height is equal to base by base. AB is the base of this triangle and AD is the base of the other triangle, AD. AD by AB. Okay, children. So now FD is the height of the pole post, that is 3.6 meter, by BC is height of the girl. Height of the girl is 90 centimeters. So which is equal to 0.9 meters. So 0.9 meters, because this is given in meters and we need to convert it here. You can write here only at the diagram. that is equal to 0.9 meters. You can write it here only. Okay. Is that clear? Or shall I write it again? 9 meters. Okay. So coming to the substitution, 3.6 by 0.9 is equal to AB being L, AD, right? Of the larger triangle, AD is L plus D. Is it not? This is L plus D. D is 4.8 divided by L. Divided by L. So 0.9 in 3.6, it goes 4 times. On cross multiplication, you have 4L is equal to L plus 4.8. Or the next step, 3L is equal to 4.8 after transposing L onto LHS. So now L is equal to 4.8 by 3, 48 by 3 it is. So 1.6 meters. So what is the length of the image? So I am writing it here as therefore length of the image is equal to 1.6 meters. This is your final answer. This is how you have to conclude. Okay, take a screenshot. Drawing a diagram is very, very important, children. When you understand the problem, then you can draw it clearly. Once when you draw it, solving the problems is very, very easy. Take this part also. So the next problem, fifth one. So given triangle ABC, I think you can see the diagrams here. ABC is similar to PQR. So order is the same. ABC, PQR. So nothing to be worried. Right. And CM and RN are medians. Median means, so they cut this at midpoint. Right. The base is at midpoints. And triangle ABC and PQR are the two given triangles, being CM and RN being the medians. Now what we need to prove is triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. AMC is triangle PNR. Very easy to prove. Why? Because see, already given that these two are similar, right? So that means angle A is equal to angle P. Very, very clear. Okay. And then next this side is equal to this side, or rather proportional. These two are proportional to each other, and this side is proportional to this side because these are all similar triangles. Okay, so now what we have to prove is AMC is like. Then the next part is CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ. CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ, and triangle CMB is similar to triangle R and Q. So these are the things that we need to prove. Once one is proved, the remaining automatically follow. Okay, let's see how to solve. So here the triangles are ABC and PQR. Yeah, children, please. So it is as if they are equal in sizes, the diagrams are appearing. Because these are the diagrams which are given in your textbook, therefore I drew them as it is. But they need not be equal. Please remember, what is given to us is that only that the two triangles are just similar. What is the condition for similarity? Condition for similarity is that the corresponding sides are, ratio of the corresponding sides is constant. So that means AC by PR is equal to like AB by PQ is equal to CB by RQ. So we can only conclude this much, right? So from this similarity we can conclude this, as well as what is the other conclusion that you can make? Angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle R is equal to angle C. So these are the conclusions that you can make when these two triangles are similar is given. Okay, so but never say that so these appear to be the same, therefore sizes are same. No, their sides ratio of the sides is proportional. Now our job is to prove triangle AMC. Which is AMC? This is AMC. E is proportional to triangle PNR. Very easy, right? See, angle A is equal to angle P. Angles are equal. Now sides are already proportional. AC is proportional to PR, right? So therefore one side condition is satisfied. Now coming to the other one. AM must be proportional to PN. Then automatically these two sides will be, these two triangles will be similar. So how do you say that AM is proportional to PN? Now you know that already AB is proportional to PQ. What is AB? Median. Median means the one which divides the opposite side into two equal halves. Is it not? This is median. That's the definition of median. So therefore, what is AB? AB is twice AM. So in place of AB, here you can write 2 times of AM. In terms of PQ, you can write it as 2 times of PN. So 2 will get cancelled, AM by PN. So that's all, it is proved. So now let us write the steps. Now angle A is equal to angle P. Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, done, finished, ho gaya. Corresponding angles are congruent or equal. Okay, the other one is already AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ. Okay, so I will use this part, but AB by PQ is equal to, what is AB by PQ is equal to 2 times of AM by 2 times of PN. 2 times of AM by 2 times of PN. So that is AM by PN. So which implies that AC by PR is equal to AM by PN. Hence what is happening? These two sides, the corresponding sides are proportional. Two sides are proportional and one angle is congruent or similar, equal. So side angle side, you can use side angle side criterion of similarity, and you can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PNR. So how do you conclude that? So therefore triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. How do you say? From side angle side criterion, right? From side angle side criterion. Okay, so next one. So once when this is proved, no, it is very easy to prove this one. Why? Because so you have these two triangles to be similar. So obviously CM by Rn is a constant ratio. So CM by Rn, which is equal to AB by what do we say? Which is equal to AM by PN. Yes or no? Right. So now already, so proved. What is proved? What is proved? The triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. So in previous case, just now we proved it. Okay, so therefore you can write CM by Rn is equal to AM by PN, right? Perfectly all right? Yes, perfectly all right. So, but what is AM by PN? This is equal to, AM by PN is equal to half of AB, is it not? Half of AB. So, AB by 2 divided by PQ by 2. 2 will get cancelled. So, therefore, CM by Rn is equal to AB by PQ. Finished. Hence proved. Hence proved. Okay, children. So now let us see the third one. So when these two are proved to be similar, the other halves can also be proved to be similar. Right? Shall I do or you will do it? Okay. I better you people do and post me the result. Right? Similar to this. See here. This side and this side ratio is constant. right? And then you are going to write this side by this side, which is equal to 2 times of NQ and 2 times of MB. 2 will get cancelled, so therefore NQ by MB. So we got two sides to be proportional, and Q is equal to, angle Q is equal to angle B. Side angle side criterion you can use and prove that these two are similar. So children, I am leaving this part to you as homework. So you have to finish the homework and then post me, right?